Living in a small house will make you more creative in decorating and designing it. For example, you have to think about how to have more storage without using a big cabinet or shelf. One of the solutions is by using a product from IKEA known as IKEA ENUDDEN. This is a hanger door that used to hang some of your clothes or towels. Check the IKEA ENUDDEN review below to get clear information about this product. This product is designed by Inma Bermudez and is a little bit different than ordinary hangers in the market. The significant difference is on the top design where you can hang the hanger without damaging the door. The design also makes the product easy to hang and you don't need any additional tools only to do it. You just hang the hanger at the top of the door, such as a bathroom door or bedroom door. The size is only 4 cm thick by 35 cm width by 13 cm height, so it is flexible to use in any room. IKEA ENUDDEN is designed based on what people need, in which it is compact, easy to hang, and durable. The durability can't be separated from the materials used in this product. The knob is using steel and epoxy or polyester powder coating, whereas the plastic parts are made of EVA plastic. Along with the design and durability level, you can hang around 6 or more towels or clothes there. The product is sturdy, so the weight from the clothes will not easily change the shape. As a simple hanger, it has 6 hooks to hang clothes, towels, pants, or anything. The top of the hanger is designed with a covered back. The function is to prevent scratching the door. Moreover, it is also easy to hang because you don't need to use nails and hammer or any other tools, only to hang the hanger at the back of the door. You just need a few seconds to hang the product and you are ready to use it. The product is also easy to remove, just like what you want, such as putting in the bathroom and then remove it in the bedroom. When you read an IKEA ENUDDEN review, you will know that this product is not only compact and durable, but also easy to clean. You just need to prepare a soft and clean cloth to clean up the hanger. You may damp the cloth in a cleaner first, or use a dry cloth to clean it. When the dirt or dust is removed, you can put the clothes back. Now, you don't need to get confused anymore about buying a new cabinet or shelf, especially if you don't have any space anymore in the room. Instead of doing it, just use the IKEA ENUDDEN and hang it at the back of the door. Your problem is solved right away because you can put the clothes there and take them anytime you want to wear them. The IKEA ENUDDEN review above will help you to understand the benefits you will get after using it.